Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm going to share with you message of the day topic in English. The mind is a very powerful vessel. You need to fill it with the right content and you will be amazed how far you will go. In life you will face many challenges. Never lose hope. After the dark moments comes light. Always be positive. You are smarter than you think, stronger than you can ever imagine. All you need is to go for that dream. Start today and you will reach the destination. For a bright future, you need to discipline yourself, set a clear goal, and then work hard towards achieving your goal. This will guarantee your success. Never give up. It might be hard today, but tomorrow will be better. Study hard for a better tomorrow. Great things start with small actions. Take that action today. Failure does not mean that it's the end of the world. You need to stand up and continue the journey. Try again and again until you make it. As a student, always remember, hard work always pays. It should be your best friend. The teacher can do everything, open the doors, but you must have the will to enter them. Never think too much of a closed door. When one door closes, another one opens. You might not see the open door as your eyes are set on the closed door. You can get everything in life that you want. If you help other people get what they want, help your fellow student where they are weak, and in that way you will learn more. To achieve your dreams, you must start working towards them today. In life, no one will ever help you until you take that first step.